welcome back to King and Queen channel. And today we're gonna be some thumbs up, subscribe, share, jump, and let's comment seconds. Whoa, come on! And you can just comment a little bit later. So in this, whenever it is thumbs up, subscribe, so please give us a subscribe. And if you click it, and there will be a unsubscribe, and if you click it again, it will be unsubscribe. And don't give unsubscribe, please give cancel, and then you just hit that bell button and give all, so you can be the coolest fan on YouTube. And today we both are doing something funny, but my sister just come real quick, and for now I'll do something like funny thing. I'm not going to do funny things, guys. I'm going to do funny noise. So I'm going to make you funny noise, and I'm going to make you laugh. And this is King and Queen channel 2. And the first noise is this. Okay, this is the first noise, and I'll make hi guys. And this and we both make a first noise. First, my sister is going to make the first noise. Wow, that's Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Okay, this is my next one. Hello, Sticky. Hello, like this. Like this. Oh, hello. Can I tell the name? What? Okay. And also, Akshal told that. Like that. Our friends told that.
Yeah, and Akshal Allen, and they told
And this is, and let's go to the second one. And this is the second noise, and I don't want to do for the next second round. And first noise, sister going to show her second noise. Let me show you. That looks so funny and makes you laugh. And I got a funny noise that I want to show you. Check this out. Funny face one. Not funny face one. I need to do some funny noises. Baby. That's yours? Next one. Okay, this is the next one, but that's the noisy. This is the third one, and what we got on the third one? Okay, that looks like snake or insect noise. So let me show the other blue noise. This is the fourth one. Okay, this is the fourth one. So let me show the. So now my sister's gonna show. I don't want to go. What is your funny noise that they ever heard in the world, or the I don't know, or the world or the earth? Tell me. That's so funny, right? Just laugh and give thumbs up and okay. Now third. Okay, now my turn. So this is my. Okay, so nice was funny, but the last one. Can you tell me, are you ready for the fifth funny noise?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys, and this is fifth. So we both are going to do a awesome, so fun one. Okay.
I think you do stuff first.
Okay. Okay, let's show you. It will be so just it should be so fun. The fifth one. Okay. Okay, that's this is the end of the video, guys. Bye.